I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make baked penne with sausage. We're going to make some delicious Asiago garlic toast. Not just garlic bread, it has a little extra dimension. And here are the ingredients that you need. A nice crusty baguette. I've already sliced this into serving pieces. Some crushed garlic. Crushed garlic makes it easier. You could use fresh garlic, but I'm using the crushed kind. Butter. Nice unsalted butter that I've melted. Little oregano for green. And this delicious Asiago cheese. It's a semi-hard aged cheese. It smells so good. We're going to grate that a little and put it on top and throw our delicious Asiago toasts into the oven. When we come back, we're going to put these Asiago cheese toasts together and bake them with our penne pasta. See you then.